How does this even happen? Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I did a purple, like a purple smoky eye with a little glitter on the inner corner. I hope you guys like this look. To get this look, keep on watching. What's up, guys? I am back. My house is a mess. Hold on. What's going on, guys? I'm trying to do a get ready with me. I'm a professional. Okay, so let's start today with, of course, my brows. Got my mirror, I'm illuminated. It's dirty on the back, so don't clock me. Clock yourself, hater. You guys already know, ColourPop. She's my pop, poppity piddle pop, pop pitty pop.
Papa Diddy Pop.
I need to tweeze. So what's been up, guys? What's the tea? I have some tea. I'm still not at 100 subscribers, but I'm not gonna blame y'all. I'm not blaming y'all. We're just gonna work on that together because we're a family. Like, we're friends now, right? Like, me and you, we go back like 3 weeks back. So, have you been sharing my video? Have you subscribed? Because you know what? I looked at my analytics, and my analytics said 61% of y'all watch my videos, you ain't subscribed. What's up with that? Don't be a hater, subscribe. That's my catchphrase. You know me, I just gotta brush these brows up. I've been trying not to lean in too much, starting today, because I said been trying like I've been trying, but today I'm not gonna try. See, I still do it. Like, it's hard. Let me see if I can move you guys closer, which will actually help me to help you, to help me. Okay, how's that, guys? Is that good? So, you know me, let's go under. Oh, you know what? I like to put primer on before I do my brows. Let's start off with primer. Let's start off with my Smashbox Photo Finishing Primer. Time to conceal. Let's go in with the All American palette that we know as Jacqueline Hill. Mine is dirty. And you know, I think I wanted to do something bold tonight. Like, why not? But then I'm like, I'm not going anywhere. But like, why not? So maybe a blue or purple or... But then I'm like, I'm not about that life right now. Am I? Am I? Am I? I think I am. Let's start off with a dirty brush. This is my dirty brush, and I'm gonna try to flick out all the, yeah, that's good enough. Let's start with Pukey, my favorite one to start with usually. Let's get in that transition. I don't know what I want to go in with. Let's go in with the color right under that is Roxanne. It's right underneath, yeah, perfect. Do I want to cut the crease? It's dirty as well, perfect. Soda pop here. My outer V. Then we'll bring in whatever's left on the brush. Crease. Let's swing this out a little bit. Brush, it's dirty as well, perfect. Okay, so if I get in a shot on this one, I'm sorry, but I gotta cut my crease. Going with that first brush. So I decided to go in with that purple color, which is called Royalty, and I'm just gonna pack that on my lids. And what I'm doing here is I'm taking that Soda Pop color and that same brush and kind of just blending the Royalty and Soda Pop together. Let's get some black liner. This is the NYX Liquid Matte Eyeliner that I love to use. And for the inner corner of my lid, I use this Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Liner. Love this stuff. It's amazing. Well, we'll just use clear since I can't find my black. So, quick coat of mascara. Get some foundation. And I will use my Juvia's Place foundation, my favorite one at the moment. I will use my LA Girl Pro Concealer and Toffee to highlight. Now I use my Sacha Buttercup to set that highlight. Then I take my big fluffy brush and brush away any excess powder. To contour, I use my It's My Ray Ray palette with these two shades. Using the same palette, I use this to highlight.
Once I highlight my cheeks, I like to go in with a small pencil brush to highlight my cupid's bow and my nose, under my eyebrows, and my inner corners. Using my favorite blush, Berries Amore, I blush my cheeks. Lining my lips, I'm going to use this ColourPop Lippy Pencil in BFF3. For lipstick, it's the CoverGirl in 240 Caramel Kiss. Finally, my Morphe Continuous Mist Setting Spray to set my face. And this is the look, everybody. I hope you like it. Please like, share, and subscribe so I can get 100 dang subscribers and I can give out my dang gift card. Love you guys, and I'll talk to you soon. See you in the next one.